The roots of Sturge Industries date back to 1925, where the business fundamentally made various engineering products. But in 1976, when they purchased the Birmingham Associated Chain business, we flourished into the chain business we are today. In 1987, we moved from our Birmingham site to the bespoke unit we have today in the heart of the Black Country. And in 2008, we moved into the metals supply business for our traverse winding of non-ferrous and ferrous products. The goals of Sturge are to become recognised as the best manufacturer and supplier of bead chain, primarily to the UK and European markets, to become the supplier of choice for slit and traverse wound metals, primarily to the UK and European markets. We want to seek out, evaluate and implement our high return extensions to core products and services. The manufacture of our ball chain takes raw materials into our bespoke in-house press shop, which cold forms the chain. Following the cold forming process, it's degreased into our electroplating department where it is polished or nickel and chrome plated. Following that, onto our assembly area where the chain is finished onto reels and cut lengths for the customer.
Sturge manufacture a full range of ball chain products in a multitude of sizes and materials. Our range of chains vary in bead size from 2.3mm up to 6mm diameter. Our chains are made using brass, mild steel, stainless steel and coloured metal. We also supply antimicrobial ball chain for use in hospitals and other health environments, giving you a solution for all your ball chain needs. We use our own in-house metal slitting and plating, which ensures we can provide the best quality chain for our customers. Our ball chain is used on blinds, sink plugs, jewellery, interior design. The applications are endless. Our metals division uses bespoke slitting and traverse winding machinery to process a wide range of materials onto spools. This has shown a proven record of efficiency gained over using conventional pancake coils. Sturge can offer and manage full turnkey projects, supplying raw materials, processing, material handling and engineering support from our own in-house CNC department.